Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 10.3 and let me show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. We have to change it now to video. Let's do it by simply using these icons and tapping to video. Here we are. Now let's go to right corner button to open camera settings. In video mode we have video category at the first place with video stabilization option at 4th position, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off here and turn it on as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.